Lily Oki. Yes. Are you from Nigeria? Yeah, I'm in Nigeria.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the official launch of Pep Kids. It's Pepsin Kids. Can I hear you say Pep Kids? Oh, if y'all excited to be here, somebody say Pep Kids. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. And on phones. And at this point in time, we'll be doing something.
Hi, I'm Nubania. And for the Christmas, I'm enjoying. I've already been to 4 programs. And this is the 5th one. I'm here to taste foods from other country. And yeah.
Hi guys. This is Ohema Buna of the Ashanti Kingdom, Ghana. I don't have my scarf here, so you guys will bear with me today. Why?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back guys, and thank you for joining me. So today I'm live here at the biggest, not the biggest, one of the parties happening in Accra, Ghana. And you guys, I told you we're gonna go out, right? And here we are from around the world. Last year I came and it was really fun, and this year I'm back again and I'm ready to take you guys around to see all that we got for you guys in the video. I'm going to go around asking people to tell me about their experiences and whatnot. Also, I'm taking you to different stands to show you what they have, and then we pick it up from there, right? Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We also get to taste English.
Hi, I'm Kina Befe
Around the world.
from Befe's Kitchen, representing Nigeria. Today we are preparing gizzard, gizzard and plantain. When plantain is being fried, it's called dodo. So the mixture of gizzard and plantain is called gizzard with a special sauce. Yeah?
Yeah, she's representing
Nigeria. Yeah. Oh yes, I'm a Nigerian, full-blooded Nigerian. River State, Ogoni girl to be precise, you know.
Why? She's trying to set you up, eh?
I won't fall for that.
What is this?
Hi, my name is Khadija Khalid. Today I'm representing Italy and we are making some Alfredo pasta and some pasta salad as well. So for the Alfredo pasta, we'll be making that of shrimp and chicken and also fish fillet. So yeah, I don't know, but it's probably aloe.
So I'm the daily foodie, and we are making Singapore noodles today. Yeah, with cinnamon mocktail. That's what we are making today. No! Thank you, Sue. Lovely having you guys.
Okay, so this is Cooking with Glenda. We're making chicken chow mein and beef fried rice with spring rolls.
You're joking.
Ni hao.
So my name is Bibiana and I am representing Ivory Coast. No. Yes. Yeah, there is. Je m'appelle Bibiana. So we are going to have acheke with some tilapia, plantain, and then fried eggs. We are going to have some sobolo. They don't call it sobolo, but then I'm making it the Ivorian style. And I'm going to have some vegetable rice as well. You're welcome.
I just want to say that. Thank you.
Okay, the hot Bella.
Are you representing
Jamaica. No, I can't. I'm making jerk chicken and then French fries. Then I'll make yam fingers. Okay, then I have fruit punch and ginger drink or tea. Ginger drink or tea. Hi, this is Food Heartedly, and I'm representing India for the Around the World Festival this time around. So I'll be preparing For starters, we have samosas, and then for the main meal, we have basmati rice, and then chicken tikka masala, and for the dessert, we have mango lassi.
Hi, I'm Nobania. I'm a Ghanaian, precisely from the north. Okay, so this year hasn't been easy, and we thank God we are all living our life. And for the Christmas, I'm enjoying. I've already been to 4 programs, and this is the 5th one. I'm here to taste food from other country, and yeah. Okay, I just came and I'm already eating because I'm super hungry. I really saved my tummy for this, and yeah, I'm loving it so far. Welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's family time. It's family time. Let's get this party started. While you're around, ladies and gentlemen, you can taste Jamaica with a hot burger. Taste Ivory Coast.
Hi guys, this is Ohema Buna of the Ashanti Kingdom, Ghana. I don't have my scarf here, so you guys will bear with me today. Why? My name is Ella Chilaka, okay, a Nigerian YouTuber, but I'm now a Ghanaian, proudly an Ashanti queen. Self-acclaimed Ashanti queen, you know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful atmosphere with Lily Ogini. Okay, so it's a beautiful atmosphere here with Lily Ogini. We came to support our own Bife Space. She is representing Nigeria in the all over the world event. I think where the chefs from different countries come to Accra to display their meals. Different chefs from different countries. So we're gonna eat today till Mama calls.
Oh boy, I wish I could allow the raw audio to be as it is, but due to copyright issues, I had to mute the original audio to avoid getting issues on this video. Otherwise, I wanted you to have a feel of it. And it is one of those events that I really recommend for people that have kids, due to the fact that they have a section where the kids plays, have their fun, while you as a parent, you can have your own fun as you wish. A big shout out to the organizers. Last year I came, though it wasn't here, it was at Polo Club, very close to the airport. So this year venue happened to be at Accra Mall, and the vibe is just so good, and I look forward to doing this again, and I recommend you give from around the world a try next time. They have dishes from around the world, different countries represented here with through the foods. Last year though, like the Indian stand was being represented by Indians, but this year Ghanaians ladies did it, and they are doing amazing. We have the Ivorian stand. We have so many stands. The Nigerian stand fully represented by Bife Space, and you guys, a lot of people turn up. Like, it was just so beautiful. Last year I came, but I was more into helping my friend Bife and also creating content. But this year I came to have fun and of course to show you guys what we got. Already this is 29th of December. I filmed this video on the 29th. Already we expected that people should have reduced, but Accra is still crowded and people are still looking for where to go. Y'all, I think we're gonna do this till Easter. What's up, Ghana? What's up? There's so many people in town, and it is just crazy. The energy, the freedom, for the fact that you can just move freely, walk into anywhere you want to walk into without being careful. That is the part that got me. Man, I love me this country and the freedom that comes with being here. And this is what I represent. When I talk about issues like this in my videos, and then people comes to Ghana and they experience it, that is the fulfillment for me. It means I have spoken my truth, and my truth sets me free. So this Giz Dodo by Bife, he was hitting the right spot. I am a Nigerian, but you guys, today is the first time I'm having a feel of this food. Never had it before, and I must tell you that it is really nice. So if you want to know how to prepare, you can check the recipe online. A lot of people are here and the energy is high. People are having fun, and I see this and I love it. I see the freedom. Everything is just happening. Do not miss out. There are so many parties in town, right? Just that some are outrageously expensive to attend. So from around the world, it's very affordable, especially this year. I think it's due to their sponsors or something. Last year it was a little. The entrance fees was a little high. Though you don't just pay for nothing. Once you pay, you are given options. You're given the freedom to go explore all the foods. I think this year what they did is they just allow you to go in there 30 cities per meal, which is, for me, I feel like, especially this season, this morning, this is like they are doing giveaway. Now it's time for the main thing of the day, entertainment. You guys, I wish I could allow you full access to the raw thing that is happening here. See, you guys, when it comes to music, I give it to Nigerians. I no go lie. But you see, when it comes to dance, Charlie, when it comes to say then they dance, you see Ghana, oh my hula la, Ghanaians can dance. And this new generation, I mean, this young generation of dancers are just making it so. Look, I'm not a fan of dance, but to think that I'm loving the whole thing, I spent quality time just looking at them and wishing I'm on stage with them. Shows you that they are dancing, like they are passing a message through the dance. Oh my God, I wish I could allow you access. When I say access, I mean I wish I could let you listen to them raw as I filmed it. But the music's used in this video, Charlie, even the music owners, they are going to fight who will take ownership of the copyright claim if I get one. So I had no choice but to private it. There are things that are happening in Ghana. When I talk about them, it seems like maybe I'm hyping too much, but we are at that place where we no longer care about what people think or don't think, as long as what we are saying is the truth. You see this girl dancing on a wheelchair? Yeah, she can walk. But they want to include everybody. And I've seen this on commercials. Like one of the commercials, I think I'll make a video on it because of the fact that some of the kids in the commercial are on wheelchair. I'm seeing all of this in Ghana. You go to banks, you go to hospitals, you go to public places, you go to even private places. You see that there are provision for people, for physically challenged people. I mean, people on wheelchair. This is what we are talking about, inclusiveness. Yeah, every child is included. I'm not saying this because I have a child with special needs. I know I'm not alone. We're so many and people wish for this. And Ghana is leading on this thing. We go make a full video on that. We shall make a video giving accolades to whom accolades it deserves. But now let's get back to the dance, you guys. These guys, I wanted to say kids. Some of them are not kids. They're just dressing up to pass the message. You guys, they can dance. You see, when it comes to dance, give it to Ghanaians. Ghanaians are dancing like they dance. I love me, you. Oh my God. So I'm acting crazy, I know. I'm acting crazy, I know. I wish I could allow you guys access to everything.
Ich führ dich aus dem Nebel heraus, bring dich wieder zurück nach Haus, yeah. Lass uns den Schritt nach vorne gehen, zusammen in die richtige Richtung drehen. Ich fühl dich sicher von Ost nach West. Komm, halt dich an mir fest. Lass mich dein Kompass sein. Lass mich dein Kompass sein. Lass uns den Schritt nach vorne gehen, zusammen in die richtige Richtung drehen. Lass mich dein Kompass sein. Ich zeig dir alles, was du noch nicht kennst. Schau dich in Ruhe um, du musst nicht rennen. Lass uns den Schritt nach vorne gehen.
So in the video here, you notice that I met with one of our Nigerian YouTubers in Ghana by name Ella Chilaka. You guys, I realized that she has to be a video on its own. Ella is, I would say, nothing like what you see in her videos. She's different. Like we've been arguing about her age. Like, you can't tell me you are the age you said you've been telling the whole world you are when you look like half of your age. She's gonna tell us. Okay, ladies in the building, if you agree with me, let me know, because she must tell us her vampire secrets. All right. I met this my sister, and for a minute I forgot she used to be and still is a musician. All of a sudden I saw her dancing, and I was like, oh, and I'll remember. So it is just so amazing. You can see the crowd at about this time. People were still trooping in. You people come and tell us there's no money. What do you mean? Where you all got money from to move around the city? And you guys wanted to go to another party, and so we're trying to go. But Charlie, the amount people collect there for you to come into their parties, some of the parties, we as parents, we had to advise ourselves. My sister, school fees, we calculate house rent. It's okay, let's go. This event is not for people like us. Not this one. I mean, there are others in town. I think we wanted to go. In fact, I even took extra clothes. I carry extra clothes put for bag because I wanted to party hard. But by the time we realized that the events out there, some of them are a little expensive for us as people who work and live in Ghana, we just like, okay, let's advise ourselves and respect ourselves and go home. So seriously, I had fun. It wasn't just about the content today. It was about the fun and everything. And so I'm asking Sister Ella to teach us how to dance, because I can't even dance to save my life. You can see. So I'm sorry that I embarrassed you, okay? To all of my fans that loves me genuinely, I apologize, okay? I won't do that again. So you guys, this is how we come to the end of the party from around the world. Now we left because Bife was done too. She left, so went to Accra Mall trying to plan. My sister, when we advised ourselves, we booked for a ride, and voila, we left. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and that I will see you in my next one. Bye.